Welcome everyone, I hope all is well. Today will be salmon croquettes and I will be using Panko breadcrumbs to bread those. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and prepare this salmon here. I have salt, pepper, and some dill on top. And now I'm just going to put some butter on top as well. And I'm going to cover it with a piece of foil to put it in the oven to get it baked off. I'm going to chop this onion because it is going inside of the salmon croquettes. Make them as big or as little as you like them. I like them this little. That's pretty small. And I'm also going to do this garlic here, and I'm going to chop it even smaller. And if you like, you can also cook them on the stove before you add them to your croquettes. Just saute them a little bit. Alright, done. So now what we're going to do is chop up this salmon because it is done nice and juicy, of course tender. We're just trying to cool it down faster by moving it around and get it, chopped up. Looks delicious. All that seasoning on there. So here I have a bowl with 1 egg yolk, and I had some potatoes that I had pre-boiled for this, and some salmon with a little extra seasoning, just salt and pepper. And this one here has onion, garlic, potatoes, salmon, salt and pepper, and 1 whole egg. This is for the grown folk, and the little one was for my grandson. So here I'm going to just bread up the croquettes with the panko. It will make your croquettes very, very crispy. And you might want to double bread them as far as breading them once and then let them sit for a moment and then put them right back into the breadcrumbs. Makes it extra crispy. These are going to be absolutely delicious. Please comment down below if you like salmon croquettes. And this one right here is the one with the onion and garlic, and we flattened these out because we like them nice and crispy. Just rub it on there, smash it in there and rub it. Rubbing it makes all the breadcrumbs, the extra breadcrumbs, come off. Alright, here they all are. They are ready to be fried. This is what's for dinner tonight. I'm going to get this oil together because it's time to cook these off. So now I'm just going to put the little ones in first. They are my grandsons. We want to get his out of the way. Make sure your grease is nice and hot. These will cook up fast in this oil because it is breadcrumbs and not cornmeal or flour. Alright, so now we're just going to turn them over, get the other side cooked. This is the color I am looking for. My husband will tear these up with some hot sauce. Alright y'all, if this recipe has helped you out in any way, shape, or form, can you go back, like, share, and subscribe my page? And don't forget to hit the bell and press all for all notifications, y'all. Alright, I thank you all for your time. And I pray you all stay safe. And I do plan to see you all on the next video. Don't forget, y'all, to always wash your hands, please. And leave your shoes at the door. Enjoy these, y'all, and I'll see you all next time. I am out.